Welcome back to another video with Kids Art Lab, and what are we going to be making today?
Hermit crab.
Yes, a hermit crab. I like those. All right, so let's get started. And we're using our Posca acrylic markers today, but you can use whatever you have around the house. You do not have to use these.
Yes.
Okay.
This would be a good one for Sharpies, crayons, paints, any of those really.
Yep, that's true. Okay, so first off, what we're going to do is let's start with his eyeballs. So we're going to go right here and right here. Good. All right. That. Okay, and then all you're going to do is make a circle in there. Good. Okay, next one is going to be right here. Good. All right, same thing. We're going to make another circle. Good. And then a circle in that one. Okay, next what we're going to do is his claws. So let's start right here, and we're going to put one right here.
It almost looks like a frowny face right now.
It does look like a frowny face. Hermit crabs do look like they could be a little grumpy. Okay, good. And then you're going to do this and this. Okay, and then you're going to make kind of a hook, and you're going to go back to it right here. Good. Okay, and then what we'll do is you make kind of a wavy line to make it look like it's two pieces. Okay, good.
And we have an aquarium downstairs at our house, so we have lots of these in our aquarium.
We do have some hermit crabs in there. They're good for cleaning up like little bits of food and stuff that doesn't get eaten.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we got the second claw. And it's going to be right here. And this one we're going to leave open. So let's go like this. This one's going to be like this. And then you're just going to go back. Good. Nice. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to work on some legs. So we're going to have a leg right here. Okay, and we're going to do, it's going to kind of go straight down. Right? And then we're going to make like a segment. Okay, and then another one right here. And then we'll finish it right there. Very good. Okay, now we're going to do another leg right here. Down. Good. This. And then one little pointy piece right there. Great. Okay, and then let's do a little line right here. This is like the bottom of his belly, which we haven't quite gotten to a whole body yet. Okay, good. All right, so now same thing on the other side. we're going to make another one here, down, and then we'll make like a segment. And then down, finish that off. Good. And then the last like pointy piece. Good. All right, and one more leg right here. And then I'm actually going to go like this. So it kind of looks like it's coming from behind there. Everybody's a little different. Okay, good. And then the last little sharp piece. Okay, cool. Now what we're going to do is we're going to complete the body. So we're going to go up and behind the eyes. Okay, like this. And like this. Great. Okay, and then let's give him a big smiley face. Nice. Okay, and next what we're going to do is we're going to start the shell. All right, so first off, we're going to go, again, we're going to go behind the eyes. Behind the eye. And then it's going to come down like that. Good. Okay, now what we're going to do is even a bigger one. Okay, we're going to do another one. It's going to get a little smaller as it gets up top. Okay, and then this one. How about we do one more little one? All right, I think these are going to come out great. Let's go ahead and fast forward and bring our hermit crabs to life.
Yeah.
Little crabby friend, where the waves gently play, lives a little crab having fun every day. With claws so small and a shell so bright, a little crabby friend scuttles left and right. A little crabby friend dancing on the sand in the sunshine glow across the ocean strand. With your pincher so small and your sideways crawl, little crabby friend, you're the coolest of them all. In a little seashell house by the water's edge, little crabby friend pops out from his ledge. With eyes on stalks and a sideways glance, he does the crabby dance. Oh, what a chance, little crabby friend, dancing on the sand in the sunshine glow across the ocean strand. With your pincher so small and your sideways crawl.
Alright, we are back from fast forwarding the hermit crabs, and I think they turned out great.
It did. He's like he's just cruising around the bottom of the sea.
Yeah, picking off all the kelp.
That's right. What did we do on this painting?
So we did a blue shell, and then we just add some like accents with some yellow and dark blue.
Uh-huh.
Kind of just like went around. Like we did that and then that, and then we also did it with the actual body to make it a little bit more pop.
Yeah, to give it like a little kind of a rounder look.
Uh-huh.
Well, what else do we have to do?
We have to sign our picture! Snip, snip, snip.
In a little seashell house by the water's edge, little crabby friend pops out from his ledge with eyes on stalks and a sideways glance. He does the crabby dance.
Well, we want to thank you for joining us for another creation with Kids Art Lab.
I hope you had fun painting your hermit crab, and we hope to see you next time. Bye!
Bye-bye.
If your pinch is so small and your sideways crawl, little crabby friend, you're the coolest of them all.